troubleshooting burning or discoloration in an LG dryer. If you are seeing clothing damage from burns or discoloration on the rear grille or duct, after using your LG dryer, here are some things you should know. The first cause could be drying clothes for which the use of dryers is prohibited, or drying low-temperature dry clothes at normal or high temperatures. Always check the care label on the clothing and use the dryer according to the instructions. Note that synthetic fibers such as polyester, nylon, spandex, viscose, and others can melt even at low drying temperatures. Different fabrics have different care requirements, and some fabrics will dry more quickly than others. For best results, sort clothes into loads that can be dried with the same drying cycle. As a guide, for general synthetic fiber clothing, use the permanent press cycle. For lingerie, sheets, and blouses, use the delicate cycle. If some of the clothes are not dry, use the time dry feature to be able to manually control the length of time on your dry cycle. Plastics or rubber items should always be air dried. Another cause of burning or discoloration could be that the lint filter or house vent is clogged. If the lint filter is clogged, the temperature of the rear duct or grill rises higher than normal. And if the house vent is clogged or installed incorrectly, it could cause rear duct carbonization. This discoloration does not stain or color clothing or other materials, however. To ensure proper drying, always clean the lint filter before every load. To do this, pull the lint filter straight up and roll any lint off the filter with your fingers. Do not rinse or wash the filter to remove lint. Then push the lint filter firmly back into place. And always make sure that the lint filter is properly installed before starting a cycle. Also make sure that the house vent is installed correctly. Refer to the Venting the Dryer section in the product owner's manual for instructions. It is recommended that you check the house vent for lint buildup once a month and clean it at least once a year. If any noticeable reduction in airflow or drying performance occurs, immediately check the ductwork for obstructions and blockages. Then contact a qualified technician or service provider. A third cause of burning or discoloration is the use of liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG, without replacing the orifice. As shipped from the factory, LG gas dryers are configured for use with liquefied natural gas, or LNG. When LPG gas is used in LNG products, the temperature becomes higher than normal and there is a risk of fire. Please check the type of gas supplied to the house. If propane gas is supplied, use it only after replacing the orifice for LPG. Lastly, overloading the dryer can cause burning. If there are too many clothes in the dryer, they will not be able to tumble properly and receive the airflow needed. This can cause the clothes to bunch up and not move, pushing some clothes against the back of the drum where they can burn. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.